If you want to impress your guests with a really easy meal, I have a good one for you today. Asiago Mushroom Chicken breast, ready in 30 minutes or less. The sauce is really creamy and delicious, and I think it's worth giving it a try. Let's learn how to make it. First, you begin by seasoning your flour with Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper your chicken, and dredge the chicken in the flour. In a large skillet, you're going to heat up some butter and olive oil and brown the chicken breasts on both sides. Remove the chicken from the skillet, add your garlic. Saute the garlic until fragrant, about a minute or two, then add your mushrooms. Saute the mushrooms until they have released all their moisture. Add the dried thyme. Dry white wine and heavy cream. And the final ingredient is the Asiago cheese. Stir everything well to combine. Bring it back to a simmer and add your chicken back to the skillet. Simmer for a few more minutes, let the sauce thicken a bit. Taste the sauce, see if it needs any additional salt or black pepper. Garnish, and it's ready to serve. You can pair this nicely with some creamy mashed potatoes or buttered pasta. The flavors are absolutely delicious. It's made with simple ingredients. Really easy, ready in 30 minutes or less. The link to the recipe is in the description below. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed.